औज़ु बिल्लाहि मिनश शैतानिर रजीम बिस्मिल्लाहिर रहमानिर रहीम अल्हम्दुलिल्लाहि रब्बिल आलमीन वस्सलातु वस्सलामु अलैका या रसूलल्लाह. About the Antichrist, aka the Dajjal, aka Altaf Hussain, aka ex Urdustani and ex Pakistani. So now that the Quran indicates about the Dajjal, aka Antichrist, that O people or Muslim, be scared which that fitna who not come in to for who are bad and unbelievers, means that fitna hit by the, I think so, shaitaniyat on the Muslim. So the Altaf Hussain scenario is 40 days in Saudi, after the Pakistan, then now in London, and the scare word, the hadith is mentioned. First of P.Z. Muhammad Sallallahu state, Arabi, why you scare from the Dajjal and to the Dajjal? And second, when Jesus Christ announced the jihad against the Antichrist, aka Dajjal, so many peoples of the Muslim run by the for the not do jihad and go at home for the scaring to the Dajjal. And third is that the Peace Muslim said, if Dajjal come in my life, I will enough for you. And a hadith Aisha is narrated, I scared to Dajjal. Now my family eating and foods are also not better. So what the time of the Dajjal? And Peace Muslim said, Dajjal come to the from east and appear in a Peace Muslim indicate Aisha Rizalano gate, who parda, who the khema, which are the khema, and Aisha Manzil. You better understand what I am saying. Okay, Allah Hafiz.